whether trucking is for you or not, you won't know unless you give it a shot. You know, I noticed that there's a lot of dudes that will watch videos like these forever and never make a move. You can't say, yes, I'm gonna do it, or no, I'm not gonna do it based on watching, okay? How high a person gets in life, how much they achieve, is based solely on that individual and what that individual is capable of, right? The sky is the limit, meaning there is no limit to what you can do. You won't know if this job is for you or not if you're always just watching videos, you know, and reading comments, because, I mean, let's be real. A lot of people failed at trucking. A lot of people have succeeded at trucking. And those are the people that are commenting, okay? And you're not going to know until you try. What can I say, man? It's as simple as that. My Lyft ride is here. They're giving me a ride back to the 99-cent account. So, I got to go. But dude, just pull the trigger and make the move. You're not going to know until you try. Do it, man. I'm out.